BMW has expanded the lineup of its compact luxury crossover with the new X330 xDrive M Sport Pro. And this is now the most powerful X3 you can buy in India. As the name suggests, it's not just a cosmetic upgrade. You get the full M Sport treatment and a healthy bump in power to match the attitude. The current X3 already carries itself well. It's confident, clean and unmistakably BMW. The M Sport kit simply sharpens the personality. Bright red brake calipers flash behind large 20-inch M alloy wheels. The beefed-up front and rear bumpers look more sculpted and purposeful, with gloss black inserts, and the rear spoilers add just enough character without tipping into excess. And then there's the Brooklyn grey paint, easily one of the most tasteful choices in the palette. It tones down the aggression just enough to keep things sophisticated. Sporty, yes, but also self-aware. Inside, the X330 delivers exactly what you'd expect. There's precision, solidity, and a sense that everything has been engineered rather than merely assembled. The design strikes an interesting balance. The dashboard itself is clean and restrained, wrapped in soft-touch materials that feel reassuringly premium. But then subtle crystal-cut ambient lighting elements on the doors and center console introduce a modern flourish. It's understated luxury with just enough visual intrigue. And this is where things get properly interesting. Under the bonnet is a 2-litre turbo petrol engine pushing out 255 horsepower. Prove that you don't need big displacement to deliver big intent. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour comes up in just 6.3 seconds, and it feels every bit as quick in the real world. Switch into sport mode and the X3 sharpens instantly. Throttle response, gear shifts and overall urgency. It's genuinely quite engaging. Though at lower speeds, the throttle can feel a touch eager. A 48-volt mild hybrid system works quietly in the background, smoothing out responses and improving efficiency where it matters. With 20-inch wheels and low-profile tires, you might expect a firm, unforgiving ride. But the adaptive suspension steps in to restore balance. It absorbs imperfections with surprising maturity while still keeping the car planted and responsive through corners. The result is a crossover that feels comfortable on the commute and composed when the road opens up. There isn't much to criticize, but a few refinements could elevate the experience further. The M Sport front seats could offer slightly better cushioning and broader setbacks for improved long-distance comfort. And more physical controls, particularly for the climate system, would make everyday usability a tad bit more intuitive. The X330 xDrive M Sport Pro is a compelling blend of luxury and performance. Stylish without being loud, quick without being overwhelming, and refined without losing character. It's the kind of crossover that handles weekday commutes with authority and weekend rides with genuine enthusiasm.